If you want to know how to combine videos in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method to bring multiple video clips together into one seamless project using CapCut. This is perfect if you're making a vlog, a TikTok edit, a YouTube short, or any video where you need to arrange clips in order and combine them quickly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and easy editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open CapCut and start a new project. Once you're inside the editor, import all of the video files you want to combine. You can usually do this by clicking the import button and selecting your clips from your device. After your videos are imported, drag them down onto the timeline. This is where the order matters, so place them exactly how you want them to play in the final video. If you want the clips to flow naturally, take a moment to arrange them properly before moving on. You can drag clips left or right on the timeline to change the sequence, and that makes it easy to build your video in the right order from the start. Once everything is lined up, the next step is to select all the clips you want to merge. To do that, click and drag your mouse across the clips on the timeline so they all become highlighted. This selection step is important because CapCut needs to know which clips you want to combine. If you miss one clip, it won't be included in the merge result, so double check that every video you want has been selected. Now that your clips are highlighted, right-click anywhere on the selected clips. A menu will appear with different options, and from there, choose Create Compound Clip. This tells CapCut to merge those selected clips into one combined clip. Once you click it, CapCut will create a single compound clip on your timeline, which makes your edit much easier to manage. Instead of handling several separate clips, you now have one organized clip that you can move, trim, or edit as a single piece. This is especially helpful if you want to keep your timeline clean or apply effects to the full combined video. After that, play back your project to make sure everything looks correct. Check that the clips are in the right order and that the transition between them feels smooth. If something looks off, you can always undo and adjust the arrangement before creating the compound clip again. And that's it. You've successfully combined videos in CapCut. It's a fast and simple process once you know where to click, and it can save you a lot of time when editing longer projects. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.